Jupiter, the king of planets. A gas giant so massive it could swallow 1,300 Earths. A swirling, striped behemoth whose storms rage with the power of entire worlds. For centuries, we've looked upon it as a celestial marvel, a distant guardian, a force too vast to truly understand. Its beauty is mesmerizing. Its storms are legendary. Its gravity bends comets and reshapes entire solar system dynamics. But beneath the painted clouds, Jupiter hides a darker secret, one that NASA's Juno spacecraft is only beginning to uncover. Juno wasn't built just to orbit. It was built to penetrate, to peer deeper into Jupiter's atmosphere than any spacecraft before it. Using microwave sensors, gravity mapping, and magnetometers, Juno dove past the clouds into a world more alien and more mysterious than we ever imagined. And what it found challenges everything we thought we knew about gas giants. What lies beneath Jupiter's clouds is not just strange. It's unsettling. Something terrifying is stirring beneath the surface. And the deeper we look, the more the mystery grows. Launched in 2011 and arriving at Jupiter in 2016, NASA's Juno mission marked a new era in gas giant exploration. Unlike previous flybys, Juno entered a polar orbit, diving repeatedly over Jupiter's poles and threading through its intense radiation belts. Its instruments were designed not for pictures, but for penetration, to see through the thick cloud tops, to measure the planet's gravity and magnetic fields, and to chart the motion of its deep atmosphere. With each pass, Juno revealed more. It showed us cyclones arranged in geometric perfection at the poles. It mapped massive auroras powered by internal plasma, but it also began detecting anomalies, gravity readings that didn't match any model, magnetic fields that shifted in strange, asymmetric ways. Jupiter wasn't just complex. It was hiding something. On the surface, or what passes for it, Jupiter's upper atmosphere is a riot of color and motion. White zones, brown belts, massive storms. The Great Red Spot, a tempest older than any living human. But all of this is skin deep. What lies below? Using its microwave radiometer, MWR, Juno peered hundreds of kilometers down into Jupiter's atmosphere. It tracked how ammonia, water vapor, and other molecules moved with depth. And what it found defied expectation. The storms didn't just exist near the top. They extended deep, far deeper than anyone had predicted, suggesting vertical structures that span thousands of kilometers. The Great Red Spot alone appears to plunge 300 to 500 kilometers down, forming a sort of massive pillar of energy embedded deep within the gas layers. Jupiter's weather systems, it turns out, may stretch nearly a tenth of the way to its core. For decades, planetary scientists theorized that Jupiter had a small, dense, rocky core, formed first in the solar system's youth and then surrounded by gas. But Juno's gravity measurements told a different story. Instead of a compact, well-defined core, Juno found something far stranger: a fuzzy core, a diffuse region of heavy elements spread over half the planet's radius. It's as if Jupiter's core was shattered, mixed, or never formed cleanly in the first place. This discovery sent shockwaves through planetary science. Was Jupiter hit by another massive planet in its infancy? Did it accrete differently than expected? Or is this what gas giants truly are: turbulent, chaotic, and unfinished at their very heart? Either way, it means Jupiter's interior is unstable, not fixed, not safe, a swirling furnace of pressure and chaos. Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in the solar system, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. It stretches over 7 million kilometers into space, forming a vast magnetosphere. But Juno's magnetometer revealed something else: irregularities. A lopsided, asymmetrical magnetic field, with strange anomalies near the equator and poles. One of them, dubbed the Great Blue Spot, is a massive, shifting patch of magnetic distortion, seemingly migrating over time. These aren't just surface quirks. They come from deep within, likely tied to the motion of metallic hydrogen, a bizarre, fluid-like state where hydrogen acts as both metal and liquid under immense pressure. Inside Jupiter, this metallic hydrogen churns like a planetary dynamo, but something is throwing it off balance. What force inside Jupiter could twist its very magnetic soul? Then there's the lightning. Juno has detected radio signals from lightning bolts deep inside Jupiter's clouds, powerful discharges crackling far below where we expected them to form. These are not like Earth's lightning. They are more intense, more frequent, and they occur at higher latitudes. Their presence suggests that water and ammonia, both essential to life's chemistry, are present deep inside, circulating in ways we still don't understand. And then there's the heat. Jupiter emits far more heat than it receives from the Sun. Some of this is leftover formation energy, but some appears to be generated somehow deep within. Is this heat linked to the chaotic core? Or is something else at work? An unknown energy transfer process, something unique to gas giants? Whatever it is, Jupiter glows from within, and its interior remains a roiling enigma. Despite Juno's unprecedented data, the truth is this: we still don't know what lies at Jupiter's deepest depths. The pressure grows so intense, millions of atmospheres, that even our best models begin to fail. Hydrogen turns metallic, atoms stretch, the laws of chemistry bend. We don't know where the clouds end. We don't know if there's a boundary at all. We don't even know if Jupiter has a true surface, or if it transitions endlessly into denser and denser fluid. And somewhere, deep within, something stirs. Something massive, distorted, possibly ancient, a remnant of formation, or a scar from an ancient impact. Jupiter, in its heart, may not be stable. It may be evolving still, and what that means for the rest of the solar system is uncertain. Jupiter is a gas giant, but it's also a gravitational giant. Its immense mass controls the orbits of comets, shields the inner planets from bombardment, and possibly from catastrophe. If Jupiter is more unstable than we thought, if its core is shifting, if its magnetic field is warping, it raises new questions. Could Jupiter's evolution affect its moons? Could violent internal shifts produce radiation surges or atmospheric changes? And what does this say about exoplanets, the hot Jupiters we see around other stars? Are they even stranger? Even more dangerous? We are just beginning to understand these colossal worlds. And the more we learn, the more they frighten us. Not because they are malevolent, but because they are vast, alien, and beyond control. Juno has peeled back the veil, but only a little. With every orbit, every scan, we see more clearly and understand less. Beneath Jupiter's clouds lies a story of chaos, mystery, and profound instability. A blurred core, a warped magnetic field, lightning from the abyss. It is a reminder that the solar system's largest planet is still an enigma, not a protector, not a monster, but something in between. A force of nature still shaping our cosmic neighborhood. As Juno continues its lonely orbits, we watch, we wonder, and we learn, inching closer to the truth about the giant that looms over us all. Jupiter's clouds are beautiful, but beneath them lies something terrifying.